The Viking brand is all about the people, the designers, the manufacturing, the customer service.
It doesn't matter whether it's customer facing or back house operations or manufacturing, the people make it a world-class organization.
The teamwork that exists within Viking is like no other company I've worked for. Everybody pulling in the same direction and ultimately working towards the same goal.
Our process and our passion are really what make us who we are, and I guarantee you per capita you will not find a greater group of people trying to serve a customer all focused on one thing than what we see at Viking, and that's what that brand represents.
We build product, we design product, we support product as if it's going in our own home. So when I think of the Viking brand now, I think of the thousands of people that stand behind it and that wake up every day and drive it forward.
We do fire protection, we do it well. We focus on fire protection and our fire protection customers.
So whether it's residential fire protection for life safety purposes, commercial fire protection for property protection, high challenge storage fires, we are solely focused on fire protection.
Everybody wants to see success. Everybody wants to know that they played a role in making things safer from a fire protection standpoint.
That mindset permeates the entire organization to this day, which is we wake up every day engaging with our contracting partners and really understanding the problem that they're trying to solve.
All the people that stand behind the Viking product. It truly is a family here at Viking, and it's a family that's committed to continuing what we've done for the last 100 years. We've been around for 100 years and we plan to be here for 100 more.